guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find order settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on this three lines here. Now click settings, and here as you see you will find orders settings. Click on it. Now here as you see you will find order settings, and now as you see you can manage your order settings here, and that's it. That's how to find order settings on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.